painting or you're protecting timber, like a deck with deck protector, cupboards with Velveglow polyurethane enamel. Preparational work is more important than the paint, because without successful preparation you're going to have a paint failure. So sandpaper is one of those most important preparational tools. Sandpaper is made by gluing abrasive particles to paper or cloth backing. They use quite an industrial glue, sprinkle the abrasive particles, goes through a press. It's then allowed to cure and then eventually cut to shapes and sizes and lengths. And with Hamilton's, sandpaper is available in 1 meter rolls from 40 to 100 grit. And now, for the contractor or someone like you who might have a big project or you're constantly using sandpaper, you can purchase the 5 meter rolls. Well worth it. So remember, the lower the number, the coarser the paper, but then the higher the removal rate. So a 40 or 60 grit paper is quite coarse and it's used for serious prep work on steel, removing old paint, taking rust away, preparing floors. Ideal to scratch floors before we clean them and paint them again. And then the 80 to 100 grit papers are more a general purpose paper, a light sand before painting your Velveglow or your varnish. It's a very good medium grit sandpaper. That would be the 80 to 100 grit. Okay, so remember, sandpaper is very important before applying any coating. It creates a key of what you're going to be applying to. So if you don't sand it, you might have peeling, and that's because there's no abrasion, a little bit of gritty lines for the new coating to key to nicely. It cleans up the surface as well. Remember, after sanding, please dust or wipe down the area to remove all traces of the dust and debris before you start priming and painting. I hope you've liked this video. Subscribe, and remember, with Hamilton sandpaper, you'll sand your way to the perfect finish.